Within 2 minutes, we are going to start our valedictory function. Dear participants, we have with us Dr. P.R. Patil sir as our chief guest here. Welcome, sir. It is said that end of the story is a new beginning for many others. I hope that after this 5 days faculty development program, all of you shall have a new assertive beginning of your lives. And I'm sure you all have learned various strategies of handling stress. On this note, let's move on to the valedictory function of our FDP. Dear participants, I would like to summarize this 5 days faculty development program. On day 1, we had 3 sessions. Speaker for session 1 was Mr. Neeraj Gera and topic was stress management techniques. It was a very enthusiastic and interactive session. Gera sir explained various stress management tricks with small activities during session. Speaker for session 2 was Mr. Vivek Doba. He explained the topic stress management transactional meditation. During his session, he talked about stress responses and emotional benefits of meditation. Speaker for session 3 was Sister B.K. Sarita Rathi. She explained how to remain calm in crisis, how important it is to think peacefully while someone is experiencing a stressful situation. She explained Raj Yoga technique to overcome stress. On day 2, we had 3 sessions. Speaker for session 1 was Sister B.K. Akanksha. She explained the topic easy meditation for busy people. During session, she actually demonstrated meditation technique and explained its importance. Speaker for session 2 was Ms. Shreya Thakur, and she had a talk on physical activities key to effective stress management. She explained body's reaction on stress and how to overcome health hazards caused due to stress. In short, physical activities improve quality of life mentally and physically. Speaker for session 3 was Dr. Sai Rajpatki. He explained the topic understanding stress and tackling it. During session, he explained recognition of stress, its various levels, and activities to get relief from it. On day 3, we had 3 sessions. Speaker for session 1 and 2 was Dr. Aruna Kulkarni. She explained how positive thinking helps to overcome stress, and in continuation with this topic, she elaborated assertiveness as a way of managing stress. Session was very informative and interactive. She explained assertiveness with best examples which we experience in daily life. Speaker for session 3 was Dr. Rajiv Nagarkar. He had a talk on topic New Normal. He made us realize the importance of balance between health and different issues of life. He also talked about root causes of stress, brain wave modulation. On day 4, we had 3 sessions. Speaker for session 1 was Dr. Shraddha Sakatkar. Topic was coping strategies for stress. She discussed coping strategies like appraisal-focused strategies in ABC technique, CAR model, problem-focused strategies, etc. Speaker for session 2 was Dr. Nali Nipte. She explained causes, effects, and treatment for stress from pharmacologic point of view. Ma'am has detailed on chronic fatigue syndrome, its causes, diagnosis, and remedies, its non-pharmacological and pharmacological management. Speaker for session 3 was Ms. Archana Agarwal. She discussed alternative healing to distress body and mind. She highlighted alternative therapies, basic principles behind it, and given experience to field biofield energy with her short experiment. Today, on day 5, we had 2 sessions. Speaker 1 was Monica Bansal, and she had a talk on power of subconscious mind. She explained how subconscious mind controls all activities of body and how we can make use of subconscious mind to make our life a masterpiece. Speaker 2 was Dr. Udichi Kataria. She talked on know your mind, it matters. She has explained importance of knowing your mind and various tendencies of mind. All sessions were very informative and interactive. All participants have shared their positive comments in chat box during all sessions. Now, we have with us our chief guest, Dr. P.R. Patil, sir. I, Professor Rupali Jinturkar, welcome you, sir, on behalf of convener and principal, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, sir. Welcome, sir. Now, I request principal and convener of this FDP, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, sir, to address the gathering.
Yes. Am I audible, Rupali?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's chief guest, Dr. P.R. Patil, my good friend and regional officer, AICT South Central Region, Hyderabad. Sir, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And all delegates, the coordinator of this function, Dr. Bhushan Pimpre, all faculty members of various called pharmacy institutes and other institutes, AICT authorities. So good afternoon to one and all. It's an honor and privilege for we all that Professor Dr. P.R. Patil, Regional Officer, AICT South Central Region Office, Hyderabad, has accepted our invitation and to be as a chief guest and present here. And thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time with us.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to share you that our parent organization has reached a tradition of addressing social issues. And I'm proud to state that the organization is completely governed by and for the welfare of the teachers. Carrying the legacy further, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigiri had carved a special niche in corporate social responsibilities. Frequently, we are organizing several initiatives to foster the health and welfare of our society. Friends, as a result of the college has received Best College Award from Savitribai Phule Pune University. And also we received a Best College Award for our NSS activity from Savitribai Phule Pune University. We have organized several scientific seminars, conferences to update the domain expertise of students, researchers, and teachers. Earlier, this pandemic, we all know that this pandemic has paralyzed all the state system, not only industry, but also academia. And during the first and second wave of pandemic, this institute, Modern College of Pharmacy, we have successfully organized 1 month FDP MOOC program, as well as in second pandemic, we organized 3 1-week STTP program based upon effective use of ICT in teaching learning for the technical updation and upgradation of teachers across the nation. I highly appreciate the steps taken by AICT for providing a wonderful platform through this Atal Academy. This has definitely updated and upgraded my teacher community at large. With this FDP, we have tried to touch those remote arenas where most organizations and conferences own. Thanks to AICT for permitting us to cater the most untouched areas that is stress management. One of our speaker has rightly pointed out that we teachers are no less than Corona warriors who, despite their personal issues, prioritize their duties. A teacher is also a human being striving to develop skills and ethically sound professional. Several incidences in our day-to-day personal and professional lives puts us in a stressful conditions. But after healthy interaction with expert of this workshop, I hope you all may have many things to take away for the effective management and coping the stress in your life. I take this opportunity to urge AICTE to continue with this noble cause of training the trainers in future and contribute in nation building. I further assure you that we at Modern College of Pharmacy Nigri will surely strive to organize many such interactive workshops in future to address the societal and professional issues. I profusely thank Atal Academy of All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, for providing a wholehearted support and sponsorship to this FDP. I would like to thank all the resource persons of this FDP for their valuable contribution in updating and upgrading all the participants with knowledge of effective ways of stress management in their personal and professional life. I was once again thank Dr. P.R. Patil sir for accepting our invitation to be a chief guest for this today's function and sparing your valuable time, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our chairman, Dr. G.R. Ekbote, sir, Peace Society, and Professor Shamkant Deshmukh, Secretary of Peace Society, and all the Business Council member of Progressive Education Societies for their continuous guidance, constant support, and encouragement for the development of our institute and organizing such a wonderful events. I congratulate all the participants for successful completion of this FDP on stress management, a key for personal and professional excellence. Thank you so much. Good day.
Thank you, sir. I request our chief guest, Dr. P.R. Patil, sir, to accept virtual bouquet on behalf of convener and principal, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest. Dr. P.R. Patil is a dynamic academician with a rich experience of about 20 years. He has worked as assistant professor at Government College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. Then he worked as assistant director on Deputation Approval Bureau, AICTE headquarters, New Delhi. And currently he is working as regional officer, AICTE South Central Region, Hyderabad. He has 21 national and international publications in his credit. Sir, I kindly request you to address the participants.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon to one and all. The management, Modern College of Pharmacy, Pune, respected principal Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, sir, coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Bhushan Pimpleji, and faculty members. I would like to first thank you for inviting me to be here on this valedictory program. As recently sir has told about the Modern College of Pharmacy and management of Modern College of Pharmacy, its contribution in that social and academic development. And sir also mentioned that the Modern College of Pharmacy Pune is a well-known academic institution and the quality institution. As sir rightly said, this institute is the NBA accredited, NAC accredited, also 2F will be recognized by UGC, NRF ranking below 100 holder, as well as the Best Institute Award from the Savitribai Phule Pune University, and many more. That means this Modern College of Pharmacy is a quality pharmacy education institution. Second thing I would like to mention here, AICT's Atal Academy is the second consecutive times World Book of Record holder training institution in India. Third thing I want to mention here that the topic of FDP was stress management in personal and professional development. What a coordination is there, because as we all are aware that our world is facing a problem of pandemic, everyone is in stress, and we all, including all the participants, faculty members, and every person, every human being in the world is in this pandemic situation, is in a stress. And I am thankful to the coordinator who has selected such a topic of stress management. And ultimately, you have contributed to the society, because this is the need of our today in a pandemic situation. I wish to convey here that Atal Academy of AICT's vision is to empower the faculty members of technical institutions to achieve goal of higher education through access, quality, and equity. Initially, it was introduced for conducting training programming emerging area, specifically in engineering courses like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, etc., etc. Now, it has been extended to the management, art and crafts, design and media, life skill management. This program comes under the life skill management. For all the participants, near about 95, more than 95 participants I have seen here that have attended this program wholeheartedly and gone through the various expert lecture from the day 1 to this day. The eminent speakers on the topic like techniques of stress management, transactional meditation, calm in crisis, assertiveness, causes, effect and treatment of stress management, positive thinking, know your mind, etc., etc. And end with, I have seen before joining this program that how energy food is also effective in a stress management. Here, I would like to say that we all are the human being living in a dynamic society. The change of the requirement of society is there. In a pandemic situation, we learn that in every educational institute, the signboards was there, mobiles not allowed. But the situation changed, and we learned that without mobile, not allowed. Also, there are the many factors we want to mention here that we all are from the teaching fraternity, and tomorrow's future is depend on us. So please don't overthink. Adopt the changes. Adopt the practices of good governance. Means transparency and accountability must be there whenever we do in our job. The transparency and accountability we must have to maintain. Then be honest. Always think positively. Don't compare with the others. And last but not the least, adopt human values. If we adopt all those things and changes in day-to-day life, I think there will be no stress will be coming, or even though it is coming, so it may get normalized within a short period. And I want to say here that be confident. Ultimately, your personal and professional development, no one can prevent for the development of yourself. I heartily congratulate all the participants for successful completion of this faculty development program on stress management. With this, without taking much time, I stop here And once again, I thank to the respected principal, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir, and the coordinator of this program, Dr. Pimpre sir, and his team for the opportunity to interact with all of you. Wishing you all a very and prosperous Diwali and unstressed life ahead. Good day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your knowledgeable words and valuable time. I request you to kindly accept certificate on behalf of coordinator Dr. Bhushan Pimpre as a token of gratitude.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I request participants to give their valuable feedback about this Atal sponsored 5 days FDP on stress management. I would like to invite Dr. Vaishali Undare to give her live feedback. Vaishali ma'am. Yes, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Am I audible, Rupali ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much, Rupali ma'am. Respected Dr. P.R. Patil sir, Training Officer, South Central Region AICT. Respected Dr. Praveen Chaudhary sir, Convener of this AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days FDP on stress management, a key for personal and professional excellence, and principal of Modern College of Nigri, and one of the good guide and philosopher for all of us in Pune University. Dr. Bhushan Pimpre, head of the Department of Pharmacognosy, all the team members behind the organization of this event, and the respective HODs, the faculty members of all the other institutes across the India, my harmful and heartful greetings to all of you. First of all, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Team MCOP Nigri for organizing such a wonderful event, FDP, on the stress management, which was really an need of our hour. As Patil sir said, that due to this COVID situation in last 2 years, we all have experienced some of the other stress in our life, maybe because of the loss of our beloved ones or the situation which were around us. So I would really appreciate all the sessions conducted from the day one. Already Rupali madam has summarized all the sessions what we had, but really all the sessions were really wonderful, and particularly the practical experiences and the activities which were conducted that really helped us, all of us, to relieve whatever the stress we were also having. So I'm sure this all will help us to implement all this in our day-to-day life and improve our personal as well as the professional experience, and also transfer whatever the knowledge we have gained here to our students and help them in the stress management in their life, and also help them to improve their performance in their personal as well as the professional life. I would like to correlate this event with one of the mythological events which we all know, that is Samudra Manthan. So we all know that took place in the good powers, we call them as a god, and the bad powers are the demons. And Lord Vishnu in Kurma Avtara, with the help of Vasaki and all, conducted that Samudra Manthan. And we all know what is the result of that Samudra Manthan. We got the 14 jewels out of it, like Lakshmi, Dhanvantari, Arahat and all. So similarly, in this COVID pandemic situation, after this situation, when we are struggling through the bad and the good thoughts and the stress and all, the team MCOP Nigri, like Kurma Avtara Vishnu, has taken this event and held this event. And then out of this 5 days Vaicharik Manthan, what we had the 14 jewels. So I just counted the number, there were the 14 sessions. So I correlated that with the mythological event, and out of this Vaicharik Manthan, we got the 14 jewels, like we understood the various dimensions of the life, positivity, calmness, assertiveness, the importance of the physical activities, easy meditation, Raj Yoga, healthfulness, awareness, mindfulness, and many more. So I'm really thankful to all the coordinators and all the speakers over here for blessing us with this 14 jewels. So I would just like to say last few lines that stress management is not just the one-time activity. It is not to be done just once or just for a one day. So we all need to adapt this as a lifestyle. So each and every moment in our life, we have to look after this stress management and be healthy in all the sense, physical, mental, social, as well as the spiritual health. So with this end sentence, I would like to again convey my heartfelt thanks to all the team, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, Dr. Bhushan Pimple, Dr. P.R. Patil. Thank you for allowing us for such a wonderful FDP, and I would really like to attend such many more programs in the future. Thank you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You truly said we should implement this stress management technique as our lifestyle part. Thank you so much. Now I request Dr. Sudhir Pandya sir to give his feedback. Pandya sir.
Yes, sir. A very good afternoon to the full faculty team led by Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir. It was a fantastic 5-day program, and as usual, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir and the team has really astonished me. A wonderful 5 days, and I really want to appreciate and thank all resource persons and the Modern College of Pharmacy faculty for arranging such a wonderful FDP platform. The way we were interacting with elite speakers, the way of de-stressing our stress, making learning so interesting and explaining everything was outstanding. I want to thank the elite speakers and the Modern College of Pharmacy faculty for arranging a classic developmental program. However, the onus now lies on me to put to practice what I have learned in these 5 days. Otherwise, it was aake baith ke chala gaya, that is of no use. I have to put it to practice now. Many things have been learned, many things have been absorbed by me, and once I put it into practice, it will be helpful not only to me but also to the students. The topics which were alien to me, like stress management, meditation, crisis handling, managing busy schedules, tackling stress, now look simple when I start minding the mind in the manner I just learned. Modern College of Pharmacy has been recognized to come up with development topics which are familiar yet unfamiliar, and choose resource persons and the topics which lure you to think and reason on self-development, which is the need of the new hybrid teaching form. A big kudos and big thank you to Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir and Modern College of Pharmacy faculty and all the elite resource persons. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Priyanka Chaudhary ma'am to give her feedback. Priyanka ma'am.
Yes. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. A very good afternoon to all respected teachers. And first of all, a big congratulations and my bucket full of thank you wishes to Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir, principal, Bhushan Pimpre sir, coordinator, and all the team of Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigadi, Pune, for organizing such a wonderful FDP on stress management. And actually, it was needed. It is needed and it will needed in the future. All the sessions really very excellent. because everyone in our day-to-day routine is going through a little kind of stress. So counseling is equally important. So all the speakers really met all of us to ourselves and actually how to tackle the difficult situation without taking stress in our life. Because the greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. So it's up to us how we are handling the difficult situation without taking stress. So I thank you all the resource person to organizing such a wonderful session, to explaining such a wonderful session. So thank you very much all respected resource persons for realizing us the actual key of success. And lastly, I want to say, stop focusing on how stressed you are and remember how blessed you are. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to express my opinion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to invite Swapnita Kohli, ma'am, to give her feedback. Swapnita, ma'am. I think there is some technical problem. I request anyone from the participant, please share your views, give your feedback regarding this FDP. Mahendra Rana, sir. Dr. Mahendra Rana, sir, please.
Yes, sir. At the very outset, let me congratulate the entire team at Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigri, and especially the principal out there, Praveen Chaudhary, sir, for including such a vital topic in the current perspective, and particularly in the last 2 years of pandemic that we have seen, that how people have been impacted and what is the importance of stress management in today's era. In a very remote area, and I've been actually in an area which was affected with this onset of the incessant rain for the last 3-4 days. I was lucky enough to still attend majority of the sessions, and there was such a nice sessions by people who are experts in their field, and in such a lucid manner they were able to explain us the very small bits and pieces about how to manage stresses in life. Wonderful sessions by the sisters from Brahma Kumari, who gave us the practical aspects of how to deal with things, along with the other experts who actually provided a face-to-face interaction. And that was one of the highlights of this entire program. So thank you for the entire team that was behind this successful event that was conducted over the last 5 days. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Dear participants, I request everyone to keep your videos on. Although it is a virtual mode, we need a group photo. I request everyone, keep your videos on. Yes. Thank you so much. I request everyone to keep mobile on landscape mode for better photo. Thank you, everyone. All participants are informed that link for assessment and link for attendance cum feedback has been shared in WhatsApp group. and in chat box. All are informed to submit the assessment till 10 p.m. today. Certificates of this FDP will be distributed from AICTE, and all should note that certificates will be provided only after successful submission of examination. Thank you so much. Now I request coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Bhushan Pimpre, to propose vote of thanks.
Am I audible, ma'am? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Rupali, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected teachers, friends, and dear colleagues. I, on behalf of management, principal, and staff at Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigri, Pune, would like to express my sincere gratitude to the AICTE Training and Learning, that is Atal Academy, for providing an opportunity to organize a 5-day online FDP on stress management, a key for personal and professional excellence. Friends, in today's critical situation, I'm confident that these stress management sessions from the experts will certainly boost our morale to lead a happier life. Special thanks to Dr. P.R. Patil sir, Regional Officer, South Central Region, Hyderabad, for gracing this occasion and for sharing his valuable thoughts and motivational address. I am highly obliged to the office bearers of AICTE's Western Regional Office, Amit sir, Rahul sir, and others for creating a WhatsApp group of all the coordinators in the Western Zone to provide immediate response to the queries and for their valuable suggestions and guidance. I am grateful to all the expert speakers for sparing their valuable time to enrich my fellow faculty across the nation and to prepare them to tackle their daily stressful situations. We have tried our best to throw light upon stress management from various angles by selecting experts from diverse sectors like clinical psychology, scientific researchers, holistic healers, life coaches, TEDx speakers, motivational speakers, wellness coaches, Ayurveda, yoga, spirituality, and all. I'm thankful to all the delegates who have not only actively participated and interacted with the experts, but also patiently attended all the sessions curiously throughout these 5 days. I even thank them for the valuable feedbacks we have received from all the delegates. I am grateful to Professor Dr. G.I. Gote sir, Chairman, Business Council, Progressive Education Society, Professor J.G. Eggote Madam, Professor S.S. Deshmukh sir, Secretary, PE Society, for their constant guidance and support. Friends, it's an honor to work under the able leadership of our beloved principal, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir, who is also an acting president, APTI Central. His rich experience and guidance is what constantly motivates and energizes us. I'm thankful to all young and energetic team of our college involved in the registration, feedback, conducting examinations, anchoring, without whom this FDP would not have assumed its shape. I'm thankful to Dr. Vittal Chopade sir and Dr. Amit Tapkir sir for their suggestions and guidance for the better organization of this workshop. Friends, technical support is the soul of all online events, and I feel blessed to have brilliant, dynamic, and multitasking colleagues like Professor Devendra Visokar, Professor Rohit Gurav, Dr. Rohini Chauhan, Dr. Anjali Kumbhar as technical support team members. These experts have toiled a lot, not only during the sessions, but days before the start, and will continue their work even after the FDP. I would also like to thank our non-teaching staff for their assistance. Thank you all. Lastly, on behalf of Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigri, I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. I hereby declare that 5 days Atal sponsored FDP on stress management is concluded. Thank you so much, everyone.